In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use our bingo tool. This tool is useful not only for creating books, but you can also use it to create printables, social media posts, and to make lead magnets that you can link to in the back of your books. Let's get started. To get to the tool, click on Activity Books, Bingo Game Tool. The first thing you want to do is set your book settings. So what size do you want your bingo cards to be? I'm going to go with a standard 8.5 by 11 page. The number of pages here tells you how many different bingo cards you're going to create. I don't need 100, I'm going to need 25. So I'm going to set that to 25. Next, you want to set your bingo settings. You can do classic bingo, and you can include a free space. So we'll refresh, and this is what the standard free space looks like. If you want, you can upload your own icon to use here. Let's say, for example, you wanted to create an Easter themed bingo. You could get an Easter bunny graphic and use that for your free space like this. You can do regular classic bingo, which is the 5 by 5. You can do a 4 by 4. This is what that would look like. Or a 3 by 3. That's what that would look like. You can also have your own themes. So for example, if we wanted to do an Easter theme, we could add Easter words here. For a 5 by 5 bingo card, you need to have at least 25 words. I just cut and paste the words out of my spreadsheet into here. Then I click on refresh. And I can also change the title to Easter Bingo. And I don't really like that font. So let's go over to text and line settings. I'm going to set it to Merriweather. Same for the spaces. There, I like that much better. And then I can download it. And that gives me a PDF with 25 different bingo cards. Another thing that you can do is use color. So if you want to create a social media post, color is perfect. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a social media post. I'm going to start by uploading my logo to use in the center. And I want this to be square, so I'm going to switch this to 8.25 by 8.25, and I only need one. And I have a list of words I'm going to cut and paste into here. I'm going to change the name to Low Content Book Bingo. I'm going to refresh. And these are too big to fit, so what I'm going to do is go and change the font size. Let's make it 12 and see if that looks better. It's still just a little too big for that one. Let's try 11. There we go. Now I want to go and change the colors and make the background color match my logo. And then I want to make this text, I think I want to make it white. There we go. Now I just need to download it. And there it is, all ready to post. If you have any questions about how to use our bingo tool, ask them in the comments below.